Hello students, good morning. This is the board before you of the mathematics class 10th, first chapter, real number and part first. At the first, if we go through the numbers, if we want to know about the numbers, real numbers or any kind of the numbers, at the first we go through the digits. What are the digits? There are the 10 digits and the arithmetic. Okay, and 0, 1, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits. That's why the base is 10. That's why the 10 means deci. That's why this number system is called the decimal number system. Now numerals. If we go through the after 9, we have to use the numerals, that means digits 1 and 0 and make the 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. In this way the 999 equal to 999 to the infinity. So the numerals can be made, can be written through the help of the digits. Okay, so this system is called the decimal number systems. But if we talk about the natural numbers, you have read into the middle classes. Natural numbers are those numbers, they are the counting numbers. The set of the natural number denoted by the capital N equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the infinity. So this is called the set of the natural number, and from 1 to infinity. Counting numbers are called the natural numbers. Now we go through the next whole numbers. Okay, because in natural number 0 is not included at the set of the natural number in which the 0 is included. It will become the set of the whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers, counting numbers with 0, the w equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So here is the natural number and whole numbers. Okay, smallest natural number is 1, greatest we are not able to write the greatest natural number. Smallest whole number is 0, it hasn't any kind of the value, and greatest whole number is the we are not able to write. So the natural number, whole numbers, and after that the integers. Integers are the numbers with the negative and positive signs include in this set. Set equal to I equal to integers. Okay, I equal to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 up to the infinity. In negative side, left hand side also infinity. So the integers, the rational number, the q number which can be written in the form of the p by q, whereas the q is non-zero integer. So that is called the rational number, set of rational number. And the irrational number, the number cannot be written in the form of the p by q. अब देखिए जो है, हम सबसे पहले अंक की बात करते हैं. 0 से 9 10 अंक होते हैं, 10 डिजिट्स होती है, उसका बेस जो हो गया 10 हो गया, और 10 मीन्स डेसी, इसलिए इस नंबर सिस्टम का नाम डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम कहलाया और इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम है. फिर नेचुरल नंबर प्राकृत संख्याएं जो जिनसे हम गिनती करते हैं 1 से लेके इनफाइनाइट तक, तो वो कहलाते हैं नेचुरल नंबर. सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर डिनोटेड ऑन द बोर्ड, ये बोर्ड में आपकी स्क्रीन में आपके सामने है. फिर होल नंबर्स, अगर नेचुरल नंबर्स के सेट में 0 को इंक्लूड कर दिया जाए तो वो होल नंबर बन जाता है. और जो इंटीजर्स है उनमें नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों आते हैं, पूर्णांक संख्याएं कहलाती है. रेशनल नंबर कहलाते हैं परिमेय संख्याएं जो p बाई q के फॉर्म में लिखी जा सकती है, जहां पर q 0 के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड irrational numbers we are not able to write, that means the number cannot be written in p by q form. मतलब उन नंबर्स को जो p by q के फॉर्म में नहीं लिखा जा सकता है उन्हें अपरिमेय संख्या कहते हैं. √2, √3, √5, these are the irrational numbers. Now we go through the why I taught you about all those things. You have read in the middle classes, because that is the revision. Because now the real numbers consist of the rational numbers and irrational numbers. That's why I talked about all those matter, all those terminology of the mathematics. So thank you very much.